Hello everyone. Today I will cover the easiest way to achieve a neumorphism in design. I will show you in both colors, that is the light mode and the dark mode. Here I am using the Figma tool and you can achieve the same result using any other software which you are using or you are good at. First let's create a frame here. Make sure to add colors to your frame or the background. And add a new box. There is one more important thing is to keep the corners rounded. The color of your box and the background same. Now I will add shadow to the box. First I will use white color for the drop shadow. Reduce the opacity. Duplicate the same layer. Now change the shadow with a dark color and change the direction as well. Reduce the opacity. Next I will show you how to use inner shadow to your boxes. Duplicate both the layers. Now duplicate the above layer and change the shadow effect from drop shadow to inner shadow. The next one that I am creating is for buttons. Duplicate all the layers that you have created so far and paste it. Place the drop shadow boxes above the inner shadow boxes. Resize the above boxes so that it looks like a button. Now let me show you the dark mode. Duplicate the layers and change the color of the frame and your boxes as well. Add more dark color for your drop shadow and keep the opacity minimum. As the only important change will be to keep the minimum opacity of the white drop shadow. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you. Keep supporting this channel and I will share some awesome stuff with you all.